Hi, everyone, welcome to Learning Anna. Today, we have a simple English story for you to practice your listening skills. The story is called The Lost Wallet. As you watch, listen carefully to the words and repeat the sentences after me. Let's begin. It was a sunny afternoon. Tom was walking to the park to meet his friend, Sarah. He had his phone, keys, and wallet in his bag. But, when Tom sat down on a bench in the park, he realized something terrible. He couldn't find his wallet. Tom started to panic. Where did I put my wallet? He thought. Tom quickly stood up and began searching everywhere. He looked in his bag, under the bench, and even asked people nearby. Tom saw a woman walking her dog and asked, "Excuse me, have you seen a wallet around here?" The woman shook her head and said, "No, I haven't, but I hope you find it." Tom felt sad. He was about to give up when suddenly, a little boy came running toward him. The boy was holding something in his hand. "Excuse me, sir," the boy said, "is this your wallet?" Tom smiled with relief. "Yes, that's my wallet. Thank you so much." Tom thanked the boy and gave him a small reward for being so honest. He learned an important lesson that day: always double-check your things. That was the story of The Lost Wallet. I hope you enjoyed it and learned some new English phrases. Remember to practice the sentences we used today. If you liked this story, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Learning Anna for more fun English stories. See you in the next video.